Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Introduction use program the use from the group of four consisting of Siska Dewi Oktaviani, Susanti Ningsih, Sutanto, Widya Fitriani, Willy Pramudya. Title Pressure Injury Care Program Info on Nursing, Proforma and Patient Pressure Injury What Health Outcomes. Reading Samia Gabela, Galia Saleh Aldin. Introduction. Pressure injury is definisi and location damage to the skin and or underlying soft tissue of the body damage or under a medical or other defect with result from intensive pressure or pressure with shear factor that may affect the tolerance of soft tissue to pressure and shear include microclimate, nutrition status, direction of tissue profession, presence of comorbid condition, and the condition of the soft tissue itself. Disability patients who have imperfect moving or positioning are especially vulnerable to the development of PI due to prolonged and exposure to pressure of body tissue. Next, Widya Fitriani.
Reason of carrying out the study. Pressure injury complication can be life-threatening, so nurses play an important role in assessment of patient needs, informing the patient about the plan of care, and also providing standardized patient care treatment that nurses are in their need of continuous training on how to prevent and treat pressure injury. Furthermore, there are scanty researches that examine the effect of nursing program on patient pressure injury healing outcome. Therefore, the patient study was delivered with hope that the obtained finding will contribute to the health care expert nursing practice as well as patient outcome. What are the limitations of the research study? Literature suggests that nurses' knowledge on PI care is limited and that this lack of knowledge can negatively influence their performance. Mention the purpose of the study. Aim of the study was to investigate the effect of PI care program on nurses' performance and patient pressure injury wound healing outcome.
Methods.
Method.
Sample of 30 nurses and 50 patients were allocated in the current study into medical units at one of the general hospital in Ismail City. Sample 30 nurses and 50 patients. Place and time study into medical unit at one of the general hospital in Ismail City. The data collection was conducted from the beginning of March 290 to the end of the April 222. type quasi-experimental control group using pre-post and follow-up design technique, filling out questionnaires, and the intervention instrument. 6 tools include NERSYS demographic dataset, pressure injury knowledge questionnaire, and the pressure injury care observational checklist, patient demographic and medical profile dataset, the Braden scale patient pressure injury world healing outcome were used to collect data. Data collection, pre-program PC, program implementasi PC, post-program PC, data analysis using statistical package form, the social sentence or SPSS program, descriptive statistic connecting frequency distribution, Pregrandman standard deviation where anti-Lisette, well t-test and the chi-square, inferential statistic where anti-Lisette to compare result pre and post program. Result table 1 show that 76.7% of the student nurses had a great regression between 82 less than 25 years. 60% were female, regrading education level. 50% of the nurses graduate from the Institute of Nursing, while 50 of them had to less than 10 years experience in nursing field. Tabel 2 regrading nurses knowledge includes that where highly statistic significant difference between pre and post-test program implementation, also between pre-program and follow-up. As well, there was a statistic significant difference between post-program and follow-up evaluation.
Table 3 revealed that
Susanti.
Table 3 revealed that there were highly statistically significant difference between nurse mean practice score pre-program and post-program. T-test equals 13,450. P-value equals 0.00. Also between pre-program and follow-up t-test 8,903. P-value 0.00. And finally between post-program and follow-up evaluation t-test 8,292. P-value equals 0.000. Table 4 demonstrates that 48% of the study group and 56% of the control group had age equal or more than 60 years. Additionally, 56% and 52% of the study and control group respectively were married, with 56% of the study group and 68% of the control group are not working. Furthermore, there were statistically significant difference between study and control group regarding all demographic variables. discussion. Did the finding answer the question? Explain the finding based on the result of the study, support the theoretical framework of pressure research. One finding can answer the research question. The patient study result revealed that there were highly statistically significant difference between the pre and post intervention, which reflect the effectiveness of the educational program and emphasize that the second study hypothesis was empirical confirmed. This might have resulted from the practice training and likely from the daily care provided to the patient in the world. Their results are congruent with those of Aaron et al., who conclude that evidence-based PA prevention program recruit the development of the PA and improvement the skill performance of the nursing. Two, however, Jogan et al. Report that there is no evidence of the effectiveness of behavioral of education intervention in preventing the occurrence of pressure ulcer in adults with spinal cord injury and emphasized that clinic wellness are the best evidence for PI prevention and should remain the foundation of prevention program. Next, Willy Pramudia.
Are the strengths and weakness of the study. Research strengths. Number 1. Research conducted in 2019 and 2020 is included in the category of new research so that it can be used as a recommendation for further research. Number 2, the tool used in the research is in the form of a questionnaire to make it easier for the research subject. What are the implications of the study for further research? The PI educational program could improve nurse performance as well as PI wound healing among cared patients. We are the recommendation of the study. Based on the study result, the following recommendation are suggested. Endorse the educational program for pressure injury care in the orientation program for nursing. Continuance in service education regarding pressure injury care in required. Replicate the study on the larger probability sample in different settings for generalizing the finding. Conclusion. Pressure injuries are on the most important management issue for medical institution in the use. For instance, PI was added to the list for never event with ended reimbursement for the extra cost of care for stage 3 and 4 PS document during a patient hospital stay. Ultimately, the prevention, early detection, and proper treatment of PI are important issues for patient, nurse, and medical institution. Professional knowledge and management skill regarding PI are necessary for nursing staff. Thank you. Hope the material we convert is useful.